Good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing important questions from polynomial chapters. Here the questions: find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. This question will be compulsory for both state board and CBSE. State board and CBSE for 3 marks. One of the simple question and compulsory question for both state and CBSE. Here the given polynomial is x square plus 7x plus 10 is there. First we are factorizing by the factorization method. Find the zeros. Here x square plus 7x plus 10 is there. The first thing here, first we are split up the middle term based on the constant term and the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. Now we are getting 1 into 10, where 10, and middle term is 7. We must choose the integers. The product should be plus 10 and sum of the integers is 7. In that way we are split up the middle term. Now we are getting 5 and 2. 5 into 2 is a 10, minus plus 5 and plus 2 is equals to, we are getting the plus 7. Now we will get the two integers 5 and 2. We are getting the two zeros 5 and 2. In that way we are split up the middle term. X square write as it is, 7x write in terms of 5x plus 2x plus 10. From first two terms x will be common, in remaining x plus 5. Next two terms plus 2 take a common and remaining x plus 5. Here again x plus 5 take a common, again x plus 5 will be common and remaining in the first term x will be remains. In the second term 2 will be remains. But we need a zeros, that's why we take x plus 5 is equals to 0 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. After transferring the plus 5 to the right side, that becomes minus 5. That's why x is equals to minus 5, and the same way x is equals to minus 2. Minus 5 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Our half solution will be completed. Now move to the verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. The first relation, sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. In this case a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 7 and c is equals to 10 is there. The alpha is equals to minus 5, that's why we take a minus 5 here, and beta is minus 2, then minus b value is 7 right as it is, and divide by 1. Minus 5 minus 2 is a minus 7, that is equals to minus 7. This is the verification of sum of the zeros. Now we are verifying the product of the zeros. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Here alpha is minus 5 and beta is minus 2, that is equals to, here in this polynomial c is equals to 10 is there and a is 1. 5 into 2 minus 10 and minus into minus plus 10, that is equals to 10. Product of the zeros is 10 and sum of the zeros is minus 7. Now we are verifying the coefficient and zeros relationship, both alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now we are completing this solution. In the next video we are discussing one more example. Thank you everyone.